Hi kindergarten, it's me, Miss Belts. Today is Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. Today we are going to continue to work with money and we're going to talk all about a nickel. So today we will identify a nickel. We will look at a nickel and describe everything that we notice about it. And why are we going to do this? Well, it's important to be able to talk about what you notice about different coins. So let's get started. For our first vocabulary word, it's one we've seen before. It's the word sort. Remember, when we sort something, we put it into groups of like objects. So over here we have a group of triangles, and over here we have a group of quadrilaterals. The next word we have is money. Remember, we use money. We can use it to buy things or we can use it to save things, but it's important for us so we are able to get things that we need. There are two types of money. So there are bills, so like a $1 bill, a $5 bill, a $10 bill, a $20 bill, and there are coins. So remember, the bills are flat and they're made of paper, and for the coins, they are round and they are made of metal. We're going to continue to talk about coins. Today we're going to talk about a nickel. So a nickel is a silver color. There is a picture of a man. He's one of our presidents. We're going to talk about him in a minute. You will see that there is different words on it. Again, we have our year that it was made. And this is the heads side because we see the head. Then we have our tail side. On the tail side, we have a building. Again, we have some words. And we're going to talk about all that again in a minute. So I want you to just kind of look at it a little bit more and see if there's anything that I forgot. Is there anything that you notice about this nickel that I forgot? All right, I hope you were able to really look at the nickel very closely. So today, just like we did yesterday, we're going to create a web. And we're going to write down everything that we see about this nickel. So our word is nickel. Can you say that word with me? Nickel. All right. So this is the head side. And remember, it has a picture of a man with his head. And there's a really big close-up. So you can see that it really looks the same. And we have our tail side. And on the tail side, we have a building. It is silver in color. So yesterday it was copper in color with the penny. But today we're going to talk about the nickel, and it's silver in color. So it's a different color. It has a smooth edge. So whenever you're holding a nickel on the edge over here, it is very smooth. It's not bumpy or rough. It's smooth. On the head side, it has some different words. So it says, "In God we trust," right here. It says "liberty" right here. And it has the year. So this one says 2007. The man on the head side is another one of our presidents. His name is Thomas Jefferson, and he is one of our important presidents. On the tails side, it has words as well. So it says 5 cents right here. And it says the United States of America right here. And it has a building on the side, and it's the Monticello. Okay, Monticello, that's right there. And it actually tells us in words as well. So let's review what we talked about with our nickel. Today we identified a nickel. We looked at a nickel and described everything that we noticed about it. And we did this because it's important to be able to talk about what we see on different coins. That's what helps us identify them. So for your activity today, you're going to have a page that looks like this. Just like you did yesterday with the penny, you're going to do the same thing today, but you're going to find all of the nickels. So it says circle all of the nickels found on this page. So you're going to look at all these different coins and you're going to find the nickels. So I could circle this one and I could circle this one, and there's other ones that I could circle also. If you're at school or if you're at home and you have this piece of paper, you're going to use your pencil and you're going to circle all the nickels. If you're at home and you do not have this piece of paper, you're able to use your little pencil at the top corner, and then you're still able to circle all of your nickels. Remember to turn it into Google Classroom If you have any questions, ask your teacher, and I will see you later.